To find the right talent for your company, you can utilize a platform that allows you to search through a pool of registered candidates and contact them with a job description. Starting with a browser search, type in the platform's resume search for employers and open the corresponding link to access the website. From there, you can browse through candidates by typing in specific criteria, such as job title, skills, or previous companies. For example, typing software developer and entering a desired location will yield a list of candidates, in this case, 8,394 resumes to browse through. To further narrow down the search, you can filter candidates using the options on the left, including CV, last update, time at current job, and availability for new opportunities. Additionally, you can select multiple job titles or companies to refine your search. Once you have applied the desired filters, you will see a list of resumes with location and work history. If you have an account with the platform, you can click on a profile and contact the candidate directly. To obtain this capability, you can purchase a subscription from the top right corner of the page, selecting the option that best suits your needs. With this subscription, you can contact candidates with job descriptions, making it easier to find the right talent for your company.